You may want to study this expression a moment to see how to simplify. And remember order of operations. I have a grouping symbol. Here I have a set of parentheses, and also the fraction bar acts as a grouping symbol, so we work above and below independently, above and below that fraction bar. Let's work within the parentheses. 2 minus 6, now if you need to, go off to the side and write it as an equivalent addition, but 2 minus 6, that's negative 4, and then I have divided by negative 2 minus 6, that's negative 8, over negative 3 minus 1, that's negative 4, and I still have my minus 1/2. All right, let's continue. Notice now I have negative 4 divided by, now negative 8 divided by negative 4, that is a positive 2, and then minus 1/2. Remember order of operations, I have division and I have subtraction, so I should divide next, so that will be negative 4 times the reciprocal of 2, and the reciprocal of 2, or 2 over 1, is 1 over 2, and I still have that minus 1/2. But remember, I'm simply multiplying at the moment. Let's see what we have. This is a negative times a positive. The result is negative, and I'll have, if you want to think of it as 4 over 1. Remember, you do not have to have the same denominators when multiplying. It's simply numerator times numerator. 4 times 1 is 4. Over denominator times denominator, 1 times 2 is 2, and at the moment I'm not going to simplify because I noticed that if I didn't simplify this fraction, I have the same denominator here as here, and I am subtracting, so I do need the same denominators when subtracting. Now we can think of this now as negative 4 minus 1 all over 2, and negative 4 minus 1, that's negative 5 all over 2. So there's many ways you can write this. You can write the negative out in front. You can write it as negative 5 over 2. You can write it as negative 2.5. But here is my result. I'll just go ahead and show you that I can write the negative out in front, or again, negative 2.5.